Bakit kailangan silang parangalan?
Hindi ko alam. Bakit mo kine-question? But guys, they're Beanie. It's part of their branding. Branding kasi tawag doon. And some people are parang,
Ano ba yan? Ba't naman hindi kayo magdamit ng tama?
Though yung iba may mga tao nagsasabi na itong mga politicians na to, mga nauna daw magpasarado ng ABS tapos nung nandun daw ang Beanie, number 1 nagpapapicture. So, porke ba ganun, hindi na pwede magpa-picture? Kayo talaga? Let's talk about people. Sorry. Yung mga tao, kahit anong success mo sa buhay, yung talagang may masasabi at may masasabi pa rin sila. Recently, Beanie was commended. Pinarangalan sila. They were recognized sa Senate all because of their very successful performance sa Coachella. And aminin naman natin, it was really a win for all of us, for us Filipinos, because they're the first, Filipino OPM artist to be able to do that. I mean, 'di ba? I guess it's right and it's fitting, 'di ba? Na mabigyan sila ng parangal for that. And we know how difficult kumbaga, kung how hard was it, no, sa pagpe-prepare nila and yung pinagdaanan nila para makarating doon. So, I mean, naniniwala ko na walang masama doon. Doon sa mga nagsasabi na,
Bakit kailangan silang parangalan?
Hindi ko alam. Bakit mo kine-question? Bakit mo kine-question yun? Diba? Bakit daw yung hirap nila for that? And, being the first Filipinos to be able to do that, deserve naman nila yon. Ang siguro ma-issue lang talaga ng mga tao ngayon na talagang bawat bagay, 'di ba? Hahanapan talaga nila ng issue. Of course, marami namang natuwa because marami naman sa atin knows they deserve it. But may mga tao na talagang hahanap at hahanap ng
Ano ang pwede natin punahin dito?
Ganon, 'di ba? Parang example, ultimo damit nila, kailangan punahin. Well, nakita ko naman yung damit nila. Medyo of course, yung sinuot nila, hindi mo naman din talaga yung susuotin on a regular day because ba't ako magsusuot ng mga kung ano-anong ruffles and fringes and whatever? But guys, they're Beanie. It's part of their branding. Branding kasi tawag doon. And some people are parang,
Ano ba yan? Ba't naman hindi kayo magdamit ng tama?
yun yung sinasabi nung iba, binabash yung damit nila nung nagpunta sila sa Senate nung araw na yun para i-receive yung kanilang, pagpaparangal para sa kanila. So parang sabi nila, ba't naman ganyan yung mga damit nitong mga to? Hindi naman marunong magdamit ng maayos. Guys, ang tawag doon, branding. Syempre, when you go out, itong mga artista na to, laging laging kumbaga, parang para sa atin, na normal na tao, hindi natin iisiping magsuot ng ganon, di ba? Pero sila kasi, every time meron silang public appearance, ganyan, ang outfit nila usually laging cohesive, laging parang girl group kasi sila eh. Girl group sila eh. And kung iisipin nyo na parang, ano ba naman yan, ba't ganyan yung suot nyo? May parang the outfits were beanified. Ayan, beanified. Ibig sabihin, naka-marry dun sa branding nila and at the same time, may parang pag tinignan mo yung mga outfit nila, may mga kakaibang material, may parang mga weaves, may mga parang local na klase ng tela na ginamit. Yung mga photos lang yung nakita ko, hindi close up, but from how I am seeing it, medyo may touch of may touch of Filipino culture naman yung damit nila. So, it's not just gusto lang nilang magdamit ng ganon. So, 'di ba? Of course, laging laging merong twist, 'di ba? Hindi lang basta magsusuot sila ng Filipiniana. I think may isang member na may nakasuot ng parang pang Filipiniana. And then the rest, it was, different flavors based on sila as Beanie, ganun. So, kayo talaga naghahanap kayo ng issue eh. O meron pang isa doon na parang alam nila na very much woke yung mga girls when it comes to political issues, ganyan. And they look uncomfortable daw. May mga ganun pa, gumagawa talaga ng issue, nakakaloka. Well, of course, pagdating naman sa ganyan, syempre, everybody is entitled naman, di ba, of their own opinions. Whether kung ang mga girls ay woke or may sarili-sarili silang kumbaga standpoint when it comes to, politics, huwag na natin bigyan ng kulay. Nandun sila to 'di ba, to receive that very, very, kumbaga parang very unique appreciation from the Senate. Though yung iba may mga tao nagsasabi na itong mga politicians na to, mga nauna daw magpasarado ng ABS tapos nung nandun daw ang Beanie, number 1 nagpapapicture. I mean, yun yung mga bagay, yun yung mga issue na sometimes wag na nating i-connect. Ibang yun eh. Kumbaga parang, for me parang set aside natin siya, park natin yung idea muna na yon. Sana i-highlight na lang muna natin si Bini. So, porque ba ganun, hindi na pwede magpa-picture? Kayo talaga? Yeah, again, maraming salamat dun sa I think the resolution or yung parangal na yon was sponsored, that was the right term. A resolution sponsored by Senator Bam Aquino. Ayan. Commending the P-pop group Bini for such historic milestone. So, thank you so much, Senator Bam, for the effort of commending artists, and I guess para hindi naman puro hindi naman puro stressful yung hindi naman puro stressful yung nakikita natin sa newsfeed. Ang cute ng may ganyan. Yung may ganyang news break na they were commended. And again, ako naniniwala ko deserve nila yon. So, girls, congratulations. And we're happy to see you back in the Philippines. Ang dami nilang mga interview and engagements after their Coachella. Na parang ang daming nag-interview sa kanila after. So, happy to see you girls back. And we're looking forward for more. Wow, for more! Syempre, di ba? Nasimulan mo na eh. So, tuloy-tuloy siya. And I guess the fans, the Filipinos are very excited for what to look forward. Hinihintay ko pa rin na kunin ng DOT ang nakunin ng DOT ang Bini. Ang perfect nila, di ba? Ang perfect nilang ambassador. Lalong-lalo na nung pagkatapos nila mag-perform sa Coachella. Ang daming mga creators on the internet na ginamit si Pantropico as like a background music. Tapos, puro collage ng mga different scenic spots, tourist spots, fiestas, mga tao sa Pilipinas that looked like a tourism campaign. And surprisingly, it fits. Ang ganda niya tingnan. So, I think it's a good idea. And even one brand, PAL, used Pantropico as a background music dun sa in-upload nilang video ng iba't ibang destinations in the Philippines. So, ang bagay, di ba? Ang bagay nilang gawing DOT ambassadress. And it's just so perfect. Like, Pilipinas is like an islang Pantropico. We have 7,000 plus tropical islands, and it's just perfect. I hope they are taking notes. I hope they're listening. It would be nice. It would be a nice campaign. So, yeah. Again, congratulations, girls.
Ano pang ginagawa mo dito, ha?
Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh.
Solid yes friend ka talaga.
Dahil nandito ka na rin lang, sige na,
Mag-like at mag-comment ka na. Mag-subscribe ka na rin at i-click ang notification bell.
Para mapasali ka sa mga kalokohan namin.
Bawal na bawal mag-no dito, ha? Kasi yes to yes!